Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to confirm your email on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version of the website that supports this feature. So you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open your Revolut app, and then once you're in, you will have to log in, and then once you log in, you will tap your profile icon, and then you will go to personal details, and then you will click email. If your email is unverified, you will tap confirm email, and then you will check your email info inbox, and then open your email from Revolut, and then go ahead and tap confirm email button. Return to the app, and then your email will now show as verified. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.